Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by positioning the alto sax correctly. Right thumb on the thumb rest and left thumb behind the octave key, with the instrument tilted slightly to your right. Form an embouchure by placing the top teeth lightly on the mouthpiece and rolling the lower lip over the bottom teeth. Allow 1 to 2 mm of reed to vibrate for a clear tone. Begin with open notes. Low B, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, 8 notes that create a basic scale to practice slowly. Memorize fingerings by practicing each note individually, then link them in stepwise patterns. Start slow and use a metronome at 60 beats per minute, then gradually increase. Reserve 5 to 10 minutes each session for long tones, sustaining each note evenly to build breath control and resonance. Once comfortable, practice smooth slurs between notes and play scales across 2 octaves to develop fluidity. Repeat patterns in different keys, until fingerings become automatic and transitions stay clean. Choose simple songs in a single key and practice them slowly, remembering the alto sax is an ebb instrument, so written C sounds as ebb concert pitch. Use lead sheets or transposed parts in ebb to match your instrument. Record 2-minute practice sessions once per week to evaluate tone, intonation, and tempo. Listening back reveals small flaws to target. Build progress by adding 1 new song or technical exercise every 1 to 2 weeks, while maintaining.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.